Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you?
Baik, thank
Okay, very good enough. Thank you. Well, today we'd like to continue our meeting on our lessons of management of English-based institutions. And today's meeting will be dealing with the topic of marketing the course. Have you ever heard about the promotions or marketing the English institutions before? If we talk about marketing, it is related closely to the promoting, yeah, advertisement, and something like how to promote our English course or our institutions to be well known by other people outside. First of all, I'd like to share you the objectives of the learning process under the topic of marketing course today's will be dealing with the five objective learning the topic of marketing. The first learning objective must be able to explain the concept of marketing, evaluate the significances, the benefits of marketing the course itself in your institutions. And also the third one, you need to be able to identify some concrete examples of media promotion, and you need also to find out the strategies marketing the course, and also you need to be able to create the real example concretely about the media promotions for your English course itself. Okay, is there anyone absent today? Everybody present? Okay, first of all, I'd like to start our discussions from the display of my PowerPoint here. Everything should be related to the lessons or the topic about marketing the course. Everybody present, thank you very much for your attendance. And then we need to start our screen sharing on the PowerPoint of marketing the course. We start from the first slide here. Is it visuable? Is it visually done from there? Can you see the screen sharing right now? Yes. Okay. Good. Thank you. Marketing the course. Let us make it bigger. Yes. Well, dear. First of all, here is our topic, marketing the course that I have already explained you just now about the objectives related to the concepts, the characteristics, yeah, and so on. So first of all, I'd like to start from the overview or the general concept of this topic today. Yeah. Uh, we'd like to start these discussions from the first main book as our reference book. This is five main objectives of marketing itself. Yeah. Okay. All right. Five stages. Five objectives of marketing itself. The first one, by having marketing or promoting the English course, the institutions would like to be able to provide clear information about the institution. So, if you need to make your institution to be well known by the other people outside, you need to have clear information. What is your institution? What are the facilities there? What are the schedules used? What are the curriculum used and the teaching method used? And also, by having these promotions, you may increase the public interest. So your promotion should be related to the interest and their passions the public needs, you need to consider the discount, the promotions, the qualified teacher, and also the interactive method. And then by having promotions, also you are able to differentiate, to distinguish the institutions from others promoting specialty, providing more value to community with the products offered, and also by having promotions, it will help to maintain the institution's presence and significances through consistent and long-term promotional effort. Well, so far, do you have any question about the objectives? Why should we market our institutions? Okay, until here, so far so good. Let us continue the next slide. There are 6 stages. The first stages must be related to the research target audience. Okay, to market your research, you need to determine who are your audience based on their age range, educational level, occupations, um, and others. Analyzing market and competitions. You need to consider what are the markets and competitions beyond the institutions. Institutions and what learning programs is trending right now. You need also to consider it. You need to have some database in your institutions by having the analysis of SWOT, strengths, weakness, opportunities, and treatment. Yeah. Okay, developing a marketing plan by having the outline of the strategies in your marketing plan implementations to carry out all the marketing plan that have been made, and you need to review to revise your strategy whether it or not to market your strategy. Next, research target audience marketing. Okay, this is the example of the marketing course that you consider. Who is who are you to improve. Your customer is children level for to able to English by having yeah. And then the next developing marketing plan, the outline marketing strategy should be set up as the clear goals first. Marketing plan implementation, and also the last one, you need to review and revise the strategy. What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? The strategy must be improved for the next promotions or marketing the course. How to promote the successful marketing courses? Those, for example, strategies will promote the English course successfully. The first one is the use of social media. By having the social media today, of course, the promotions of marketing your school will be effectively and quickly done, known by the other people outside. And also the key opinion leaders. What are the influencer or the people services say about the promotions? You need also to consider the key opinion leaders, affiliate program. You need to have some collaborations and cooperations with the other parties, institutions to promote your English course broadly. And also by having some SEO or blog, it will be optimizing the position of the admin or the article on search engine. Well, there are some examples of course promotions media by having printed brochures. This is the offline one. By having website in online. By having social media through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. There are so many kind of social media can be used here. Yeah? Snapchat or whatever. Online advertising. Google Ads, Facebook Ads, email marketing, by having or inviting the influencers and students testimonials, and also from the free events or seminars or national or international seminar. based on 7P marketing model from E. Jerome McCarthy. The first one talking about product. So your institutions, your English course itself should offer, okay, your product, what is strengthened there. For example, if your product is about business English course for senior high school, it means that your promotions media should be talk about business English course for senior high school or SHS. And then number two, you need to consider the promotions strategies, whether it is through Instagram, testimonial video, maybe brochure or whatever. And then the price. Please offers the flexible payment plans and students discounts to make your institutions being famous, yeah, well promoted. The next one, place. Where is the place to be promoted, whether it's online, campus to campus, city enter campus to accommodate different learner preferences. Next, talking about people, qualified teachers, qualified administrator, qualified instructor for your real business experience should be considered to conduct the classes and the process of English language learning. Number six, process. The institution uses a clear and interactive learning by having the specific and appropriate syllabus and also curriculum to be implemented in that course. Physical evidence. You need also to promote what are the facilities, what are the modern classrooms, digital learning tools, the display of student success, and so on. All right. Here are the significances effect of media promotion. Number one, by having a good successful media promotion, of course, your institution will be easily gotten from the consumers. Your institutions will provide detailed information to be well known by other people outside. And your institution will save the company's budget, especially if it is online. I think the budget will be more efficient and effectively done. However, there are some challenges in marketing and English course. Yeah, the first one, the challenges will provide lots of competitions from all the English course around, and then students need to be convinced of the value course, and then the demand of the English language learning should be considered. The targeting, right? You should target the right audience, and then the competition in the market, building brand awareness, effective communication strategies should be used, and also online presence and digital marketing. So you need finally maintain good collaborations and partnership with the people around the community. Well, dear, so far, do you have any questions? Please have your questions by having some critics, comments, suggestions, maybe? Do you have it? Okay. If you do not have any more question, I will give you some questions. Okay. Start from Jose. What topic that you are interested on during these materials? Which slide that you are interested on? Jose. Are you interested in discussing the first slide? Yes? Or the other member? Jose. Or the other member, maybe? We start from Farah. Farah, which slide? Okay. We start from actually I need to divide you into some groups, yeah, into 7 groups. Okay. The first group will be from siapa ya? From the last meeting. Who belongs to group one? Who is the member of group one from the last meeting? Yes. Any group one members? Group two? Group two? Yeah. Please, Dinda. Dinda, raise hand. Say something, Dinda. Dinda, why did you raise your hand? Okay, group three.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Can you
Maybe
hear
they
me?
have some problems on the signals. Okay, now Rina,
Okay.
you belongs to what group?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Okay, what group
I
do you
belong
belong?
to group 5, ma'am.
Group five. Okay. Hmm. What topic is that about?
Okay, so the topic that I'm actually really interested about is the strategies, ma'am. I forgot the slide, but it's I write it down here. It's the strategies to promote media. This is important because when you want to promote media, you gotta have strategies, and this could be different from the other. But the main thing is that in this era of technology, you can use social media, and of course, I believe that in nowadays it's very easy to promote a lot of our English courses in TikTok. It's a very wide and fast pacing app, and I think it is really important for us to understand about social media. And also, we need to determine the target audience. In TikTok, of course, there are people of age, maybe the teenagers, and also I don't think the 80s up above really use TikTok. So we reach a lot of young learners who want to learn English, and I think they are really eager to learn English, and I think it is very important for us to really look at these two things, the social media and target audience, to make difference other than any other promotion. And that's I think the most
Okay.
interesting part.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you very much, Rina. That's a very good idea, especially related to the strategies. Yeah. You may offer some strategies concretely in order to promote your English course by having TikTok as the social media. And you have also known well about the significances, the benefits, the advantages of using the social media in promoting the English course. Thank you very much, dear. Is there anybody else would like to add some more information about what have you learned so far? Rafif, Rafif, do you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. I personally interested in the stages of marketing. In the topic, I learned that there are 6 steps to marketing an English course. The first one would be like market research, where you identify the target audience, such as students, professionals, and such as like that. And then the second step would be like course design, where we shape the English course to meet the needed materials. Like, what do the students need in order to become successful? And the third step would be like, how do we promote those strategy? I would like to use social media or some flyers to make the students more known about the marketing class that I will be having. And for the fourth step would be like in the enrollment process. I would like my marketing to know the students um, easy to register and to get the course information. And for the fifth step, I will like to have delivery and experience to ensure the quality of the teaching and the student have a good support because satisfied learners will have promote the course. And the last step would be like feedback and evaluation, where I will collect the learners' feedback to improve both the course and the marketing approach. That's all from me, ma'am.
All right, thank you very much. Rafif, you have offered some strategies on also the concrete examples, yeah, by having the marketplace in order to socialize and promote your English course exactly. Well, dear, I think we need to invite the other participants in order to make sure that you have well understanding in promoting and marketing your English course. But first of all, I'd like to share the evaluation or the test through our Google form. Yeah, and I will share the Google form through the this what we call it link Zoom. Yeah, the link drive. You may open the link drive and then that Google form would be filled out by you by answering questions number 1 up to number 10. I'll give you time around 5 minutes from now. Do it now. Start answering your question on G form, starting from questions number 1 in multiple choices up to questions number 10. Okay, do it individually. Send your answer sheet of the G form uh, at least at 11. Yeah, at 11 7. Okay, three minutes more. Yeah, 3 minutes more. You have time, and then we try to discuss it together. Okay, I will share the Google form first. Right. Let us discuss it together. Okay. Coba ini. Let us try to answer this one. Which one, ya? Okay, dear. You have already finished to answer the questions from number 1 up to number 10 into our G as your exercise situation for today's meeting. I have seen everybody got a very good answer. Almost almost all of you, 75% surround have got more than KKM. You have got upper than 70% true. So I do really appreciate your hard works in learning today, and also in finishing and uploading your G form to be submitted to me just now. Well, the last but not the least, I'd like to invite you to conclude our learning process about marketing the course today. First of all, of course, we have known the concept of marketing the course as one of the crucial lessons that everybody needs to know to build up an English course, and also the strategy should be considered in marketing our school, starting from the target, the location, the prices, the qualities of the teachers, the facilities, and so on. And also, you have some challenges in marketing your school. For example, the limitation of the budgeting, the limitation of the fee, and also the provisions of some qualifications of the teachers today in order to be relevant to the needs of digital era in technology and digitalization. Is there any more additional conclusion from the audience to close before we close?
Sandra, ma'am.
Rafiq, please, one sentence to conclude our meeting today. Andra, one sentence to conclude our meeting
Okay,
today.
according to me, the marketing course is one of important way to get to know the institution. The main what used to promote is what the people, when we spend and the process and the target of that. So, marketing will be effective if the component of it is perfect of our institution. Thank you.
Okay. Are you still with me? In conclusions, of course, every manager should be able to promote your English course successfully in order to be well known by the community and public register themselves into your English course. Thank you very much. I do really hope that I will introduce and some value for English language learners. Do not forget to do our routine task and send it into our SIPDAL e-learning Unimed. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.